from understanding to preparation. After the data collection is completed, the data scientists use descriptive statistics and visualization techniques to understand the data content, assess data quality, and discover initial insights about the data. Data preparation stage includes all activities to construct a data set that will be used for the data modeling stage. It is nothing but the cleaning of data that is dealing with missing or invalid values, eliminating duplicates, formatting data from multiple sources such as files, tables, platforms, and transforming data into more useful variables. Data scientists are capable of creating explanatory variables, referred to as predictors, through a combination of domain knowledge and existing structure variables. Data preparation is the most time-consuming step in a data science project and consumes almost 90% of the total time.